Hello everyone, welcome to Jayban Computers. Our today's topic is about our one and only buddy which never fails to help us when we need. Yep, I'm talking about Google. All of us have been using Google day in and day out, so it's time for us to know how does it work. Google uses automated programs called spiders or crawlers, which crawl into websites and use the links to crawl to other links. It collects all the words listed out in the web pages of the website and indexes them. When a user searches a keyword, search algorithm starts its work, and the words which are already indexed would be listed out according to the one which matches the user's need. Hope the information was useful to you. Stay updated with our technology related videos. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified when we upload a new video, subscribe our channel. If it was beneficial to you, do share it with others. Thank you.